who influenced the shape of the church. Of course, this Christianity was very, very deeply undermined and almost decimated by the coming of Islam in the 7th century. But it was not completely finished because some churches survived, and we have very ancient churches like the Coptic Church in Addis Ababa, in Egypt, which is one of the founding members of the African Conference of Churches, and we have the Ethiopian Yahodo Church, which is also ancient and placed in that period. So we have that Christianity did not come in 18th and 19th centuries only. We have these churches. We also have the history that in the 15th centuries, we had another second tentative of evangelizing Africa, which came especially on the coast of the Kingdom of Congo, the population now Bakongo, who are in Democratic Republic of Congo, Angola, and Congo-Brazzaville. This Christianity around the Kingdom of Congo took a very strong shape, and the king of that period sent his son to learn theology in Portugal, Afonso, and he came, trained, and ministered, and the church was flourishing. But some centuries later, in the 18th centuries, almost this Christianity was disappeared. And that is why when started another tentative of evangelization of Africa by Western missionaries. Now, another dimension of African Christianity, which one has not to forget, is a group of Christians, a group of Africans who departed as slaves, and they went overseas and to the Americas, and when they were liberated, those who were liberated became having been adopted Christianity. So we have some of this denomination in countries like Sierra Leone, countries like Liberia, the Gambia, which they have a Christianity which was not brought by Western missionaries, but by slaves who came back to Africa. So we have all this range, and it has to do with the shape of the African Christianity